Hello everyone, I'm Jakes Mantle, the CEO of TecOpti. Today is a significant day in our company and our customers. Following our recent expansion into New Zealand, I'm absolutely thrilled to announce that the international recognized industry leader, Chris Burnett, is joining the TecOpti team as the UK director.
Thanks, Jakes. I'm genuinely excited to be here. So I've been watching the TecOpti journey from Australia to New Zealand and America, and I'm really excited to start up in the UK for TecOpti.
Chris, for those who don't really know you, you've dedicated a significant portion of your life to enterprise applications, manufacturing, defense, and supply chain software industry. Can you briefly share what you're focused on and what you'll be bringing to the TecOpti team, specifically in the UK market?
Certainly, Jakes. So I've been implementing ERP systems across the globe from America to Singapore, Australia, and New Zealand. And I've been responsible for over 400 implementations, helping businesses in their key industries of manufacturing, defense, supply chain. And we're helping customers to get the most out of their enterprise systems. What's always driven me is the belief to actually be a partnership with the customer for their long journey. So we build a proactive support and commitment on time and budget. And hopefully TecOpti's reputation in these very things is why this partnership is such a perfect fit.
That's the passion for putting the customer first. It's exactly what we're about. This isn't just a new hire, it's a powerful strategic move for our company. With your expertise coupled with decades of experience in this space, by the TecOpti team, we're bringing an unparalleled level of leadership to the market. What's your vision for TecOpti in the UK?
My vision for the UK is simple, is to provide a level of service and a depth of expertise that our clients have been searching for. I'm focused on building long-term relationships and ensuring our clients feel supported every step of the way, from implementation to long-term success. We will deliver reliable and high-performing solutions built on a foundation of data integrity and their technology investments more powerful than ever.
The UK market is critical to our global expansion plan, and with Chris leading the way, we are confident in our ability to meet the growing demand for our services. This appointment reinforces our commitment delivering the very best to the community.
So I'm very excited about this new chapter, and I look forward to connecting to some old faces across the globe and some of our newer hires in South Africa and New Zealand. So I'm very excited about this new community as we grow. Thanks, Jakes.
Thanks, Chris, and welcome to the team. For more details and to read the full announcement, please visit our website at techopti.com. We will also be sharing more updates in the coming weeks. Thanks for watching.